Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and a good deal. Features also include leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2013 M-Class. Top-rated safety, it runs in the family. It is something we never take for granted. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.